Hello, it's Machaela, and welcome to the next installment of my summer makeup favorite series. I've got my concealers as well as my sprays. I've got a little bit of a variety here. I've got some lighter coverage, some not full coverage, but fuller coverage concealers. And then I've just got some sprays that I do like for this time of the year. I do have a mixture of drugstore and high-end products, but let's just get into it. For concealers, I do prefer something a little bit more lightweight, not as heavy on the skin. So these are typically a little bit more lighter coverage, but you can get some decent coverage, at least from what I personally like for coverage for this time of the year. Let's start with the Yenza Super Serum Silk Concealer. I like this one because it is super lightweight. You're not going to get a lot of coverage, but it does feel nice on the skin. I like it for just kind of adding another layer of ever so slight hydration and coverage on my face and underneath the eyes. I mean, a serum concealer typically is not high coverage, but I like it because of how light it is. And again, just something that, you know, if you have got dark circles underneath your eyes, this is not going to be the one for you. But for me, if I have a good foundation underneath it and I just want something to kind of add to that, this is what I like. Another lightweight and drugstore is the Revolution Skin Silk Under Eye Brightener and Concealer. More lightweight because it does have that color correcting properties in it. It will do more than, say, the Yenza did. Very affordable, very beautiful. I do have my eye on the foundation for this. I should have picked it up a while ago when I was in Ulta and I just didn't. I don't know why. But this is beautiful. Again, very lightweight, but still, because of the color correcting properties, you don't need a whole lot to get what you need, and you don't feel like your makeup is overpowering your face. So I do really, really like this. The Toy Factory concealer, I got this one in an Ipsy Extra. This is beautiful. This is going to be a little bit more coverage than the other two, but still lightweight enough to where it doesn't feel like anything on the skin. Very beautiful. I think, is it called the Nia Blend Toy Co? I don't know. I'm not entirely sure exactly, but again, it's beautiful. I would say it's more of a light to medium coverage concealer, and just, again, absolutely gorgeous. And the most full coverage concealer that I have today, not full coverage, I would say a for sure medium coverage, is the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum. Again, serum concealer, typically more lightweight, but out of these four that I have, it is the one that will give me the most coverage. Again, beautiful. Love it for this time of the year. I am almost done with it, and just absolutely gorgeous. And again, it's drugstore. For my sprays, I've got my Fenty Beauty Makeup Extending Setting Spray. It does have long wear to it, which is good for summer, oily time, especially if it's wedding season, you're going to a wedding, are the bride or a bridesmaid. This would be really, really beautiful for that. It does last a long time. This next one, the Morphe SPF Sunsetter, I did get this in an Ipsy Extra. I did not like it when I first got it. It is slowly starting to grow on me. It's definitely not a favorite of mine. It does feel like sunscreen, but I felt that it was appropriate to put it in this video because it is a sunscreen setting spray. And so that being said, I wouldn't say I hate it, but it definitely feels like you're spraying sunscreen on your face if you do not like that feeling, which I personally don't, but it will give you that SPF that you need, especially if you have a sunscreen underneath. You want to put this on for a little bit more of a higher SPF, or just spray it on your face throughout the day. Take it, put it in your purse. I think that would be a really good way to, if you're needing that additional layer of sunscreen, this would be a good one to have. The Makeup4Ever Mist And Fix Spray. Again, another good one, long lasting. I wore this at my brother's wedding earlier this year. So yeah, as you can see, I'm more than halfway done with it. And again, it's just wonderful, beautiful, long lasting, hydrating. Dry skin girlies, you might like this one because it does what it needs to do without taking away from the hydration in the face. And then the last one is newer to my collection. I don't have a whole lot of experience with it, but it is the Milk Makeup Hydrogrip Rip Set and Refresh Spray. And so I do enjoy this. I think it is good for this time of the year. It is a set and refreshing spray. It is hydrating. and it does make your makeup last. And that is everything from this collection. Let me know what you would like to see next in my summer makeup series. I have done foundations and blushes already, and I will leave those linked down below. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.